guys, I'm back again. As usual, I'm always excited, bringing all the goodies to your doorstep. Remember, we are learning on this channel, so if you have any topic you would want us to talk about on this channel, please do well to drop them on the comment section. If you're having troubles with whatsoever you're learning, be it Excel, on Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, Python, please do well to write it on the comment section. Somebody out there will be here to to give you help. And if you're having answers to these questions that are actually being dropped in the comment section, please do well to respond. This is a community of learners. No one knows it all, no one is actually perfect. We are here to build a strong community that will help each and every one of us become gurus. I like that. Gurus in the world of data analysis. Again, we are moving from data confusion onto data confidence. Remember, there's a feeling when you know something and you know it quite very well. Even when they wake you up at night, you're very good at it. That there's a kind of confidence that exudes. Yes, and it's not pride. So I'm excited, guys. Do not to share the link, comment on the comment section, tell us what you've been learning, what you've been up to so far in the world of data analysis. Tell us how our videos has actually motivated you to be more, to do more, to I really want to not just mark time that people are actually following or people are commenting, but I want to see people actually doing well in their career, and that is why I'm up to this. So I'm really grateful to each and every one of you that has actually made this channel where it is, and those that are yet to. Yes, I'm grateful. I'm really grateful. So back to the need. Today is an interesting topic. Remember the other time we talked about why data analysis, and I'm sure each and every one of us has gone back to the drawing board to know why we're actually sorting out or wanting to go into this program, data analysis. And aside that, to actually help us, it's not just for data analysis, but for every and all of our dreams that we tend to push for. Yes, the reason why you do things is actually a motivator for you to actually get those things done. Yes, so please go back to your drawing board if you haven't gone back to your drawing board to check for the reason why you're actually doing this course or wanting to pursue this career or do any other thing in your life. If you're a new subscriber, please, or you're just passing by, do well to check our videos, and if they are of interest to you, use the share button. Give us a like if it's something that you've actually enjoyed yourself via this video is unscripted. This video is there's no script anywhere. It's just me giving you straight as it is. Right about now, we'll be talking about a very popular four-letter word, and it is data. That's more like the basis of one of the bases of why we are moving or pushing into data analysis. Somebody will be asking, what is data? This data, DATA, that everybody's talking about, or the one she's actually talking about right now, what does it actually mean? Why did she say it's an oil money? What does it mean? All right, so I'm here to answer your questions to the best of my ability. And yes, my people in the comment section, please find your way there to give answers, give more insightful answers. I don't mind. So yeah, data is, or rather, yeah, is information, or rather, our information that we get every now and then that gives us or helps us to make insightful decisions or help us to make informative decisions. So if you don't know an idea of anything, say for instance, you plan on um going out, right? But the funds with you are right about that point in time. I'm in Nigeria. The funds with you is 100 naira, but where you need to go to is 500 naira. Now, knowing about the amount to go to where you are going to and the amount you even have at that time will inform your decision on whether to go to that place. That's if it's rather important, or whether you need to cash money, take money from the bank, right? Or ask somebody around you. So these little informations you get here and there, the A, B, the alphabet letters you get every now and then, the numerical letters you get, all form data. They are all information. The text, the images, the numerical whatever, all are data. Pictures are data. Everything data. Whatever you see on the internet is data. Whatever you write, even on your own book or whatever, those are data. All of them are summed up as information that would help you know what to do at the very end of everything. If you get an information, what do you do with it? Is to consume it and make insightful decisions. To consume it and know what to do, that will help you out in that scenario. Right? Now, aside that, data can actually be used. You writing on Mark Zuckerberg, that's on Facebook, or even on YouTube, or wherever you're writing on the internet space, it's also data. The things you are writing in there, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, they are data. Your voice recording is a data. This video is a data. It would actually help someone. The beautiful thing about data is the end result is there is an informative decision at the end of the day. So data is not just A, B, C, D. Data is everything that encompasses information. Everything. And information is broad. Information can be alphabetical. Information can be pictorial. Pictorial in the sense that I mean pictures. Information could be numerical, numbers. Information could be voice recordings. Information could be anything. Information could be signs, could be symbols, emojis. The emojis we have on our phones, they are information. They can be interpreted. Anything that we can actually gather and interpret, and in interpreting it, we can actually have informed decisions from it. For example, somebody puts the emoji of a laughing face. It's giving you the information, or rather giving the next person, or the person that is receiving that information, that this person is actually laughing at whatever the context of conversation is. So whatever that is being sent out, or whatever that is being written or garners as information is data. Everything about us is data. Yes. And yes, the beautiful thing about it is data can be subdivided into two powerful types. We have the qualitative data and the quantitative data. Qualitative data is further broken down into two. We have nominal and ordinal data. Nominal data is categorized, while ordinal data is not categorized. Yes. Apologies. I think ordinal data is categorized, nominal data is not categorized. Example of the categorized data: we have color, we have gender, we have anything that you can actually split into different parts. Gender, female, male. Color, we have different colors, right? Then for the one that cannot be categorized, right, we have degrees, we have certifications, all those are not really, they don't really have categories, so to speak. Yes. So quantitative data are data that are in numbers. They are numerical data. Now somebody might be wondering, where can I actually get data? I know data are information, right? But where can I actually get it? That you're talking about, you are inferring to the sources by which data can be gotten. Data can be gotten from two major sources. Yes, they are categorized into two major sources. We have the primary data and we have the secondary data. The primary data are the user, you have this information yourself. There's no third parties giving you this information. You sending a message to somebody, you are the one giving out this data, this information, this message to somebody else. Yes, right? Then the secondary data are the data that is gotten from a third party. We can get that from newspapers, we can get that from projects, we can get that from different articles that have been written by people. And this, like we said in the initial stage, that this data that are gotten are for us to make informative decisions. So whatever I tell you, for example, me talking to somebody, I'm talking to B, right? Assuming the person's name is B. I'm talking to B, and the person is like responding to me. We are having talks. That's more like a primary source. The person is not hearing the conversation from another person. I'm the one giving out that conversation, and I'm the one getting replies in return. Now, the major thing, or the what have you, is not the replies we are concentrating on. We are concentrating on who is giving out the information. The person giving out the information at that point in time is me, which is the original owner of the information. And that makes me a primary source of data at that point. But if I get the information from the internet, or I get it from an article or a newspaper or something from somewhere, or I heard them say, it is a secondary data.